Welcome back, children. So, in the last class, I explained two properties of synthetic fibers. First property was strength of fiber, and second property was elasticity of the fiber. Third property, moisture absorbency. Now, children, synthetic fibers are not good absorbers of moisture or water or sweat. That is why clothing and dresses made up of synthetic material is not used in the summer season. Clear? Because in summer season we need to get rid of our sweat, and for that cotton clothing is preferred because cotton is a very good absorber of sweat and we feel comfortable. On the other hand, synthetic fibers, they do not have the ability to absorb sweat, hence is discarded for use in the summer season. But in the rainy season, synthetic fibers are used for making raincoat and other waterproof materials. Did you understand? So, and you have seen that waterproof and raincoat, these things, they do not have the ability to absorb water. Rather, if water falls on it, it gets drained off. Did you understand? So for this reason, synthetic materials are preferred to be used in the rainy season in different form. Even the material which is used for making umbrella, that is also synthetic material, because they will not allow water to pass through, right? Next important property is resistant to biological attack. Now, synthetic materials will not get damaged either by fungus or bacteria. For that reason, synthetic materials or fabric made up of synthetic material can be used for a long time without getting damaged by these microbes. On the other hand, natural fibers, whether wool or silk or cotton, they get easily damaged by fungus, by fungal infection or by bacterial infection. So for that reason, we use different type of material made up of, different type of fabric made up of synthetic material to avoid this damage caused by biological agents, right? Next is affinity for dyes. Now, synthetic material has the capacity to absorb specific dyes, and once the dye is absorbed, synthetic material will not get faded or discolored for a long time. Means after washing it, it appears as if it is new, without discoloration, without getting faded. So this property has made synthetic material more and more you can say, famous, and people have started using synthetic material more and more, there is no chance of getting decolorized, no chance of fading easily. So these are all some, you can say, advantages that why people have started preferring synthetic materials more and more. Next point, effect of acid and alkali. Now, synthetic materials do not get damaged by acid or alkali. For this reason, synthetic materials are used to make containers for keeping acid and alkali. Glass is also used, but synthetic materials are also used. You will never find a material made of natural fiber to make containers for acids and alkali. The last point, effect of heat. Now, most of the synthetic materials are flammable, means they easily catch fire. Why so? Because after all, synthetic materials are made from chemicals which are obtained from petroleum. And you know that petroleum is highly inflammable. So naturally, all those chemicals will definitely be flammable. And as well as that, for this reason, synthetic materials will become flammable. So all those fabric which are synthetic in nature, dresses or clothing made of synthetic material, is never used for working in a kitchen, or whenever you are bursting firecracker during your festivals, you are not allowed, or you should not wear synthetic materials. Even when you are working in laboratory where there is a Bunsen flame, you should not wear synthetic clothing and work in laboratory. Now, the main demerit is that if by chance the dress catches fire, then the synthetic material melts and sticks to the skin, which causes major burns in the body. And for that reason, it is advised that you should not wear dresses or clothing made of synthetic materials and work in front of fire. So children, in the next class, we'll resume more of this chapter. Till then, thank you.